Hi everyone! Welcome to a Kanji time. Today we are going to learn N for Kanji. Let's go check it out, Pei. Check it out. If you want to do the quiz first, please go to these times. This kanji means hold, have. The on reading for this kanji is ji, like in shojihin, which means one's belongings. And the kun reading is mo, like in motsu, which means to have, to hold. Tissueを持つ. This kanji means teach, faith, doctrine. The on reading for this kanji is 教, like in 教育, which means education. And the kun readings are 推し and 遅, like in 教える, which means to tell, to teach. 漢字を教える. For you. This kanji means sentence, literature, style, art, writing. The on reading for this kanji is 文, 門, like in 文化, which means culture. Culture makes a word. Culture makes a country. And the kun reading is 踏み, like in 恋文, which means love letter. 君へ。私はあなたに会ったあの日から、ブラブラブラピーパラパラパラピーパラパラパラ。This is for you! This kanji means fee, material, measure. The on reading for this kanji is 料, like in 料金, which means fee. お、このメガネ素敵ですね。ちょっとかけていいですか？おー、よく見える。え？このメガネかけるのに料金が発生するんですか？ありえない。ピーピー。あ、ちょっと待ってください。こちら通行するには料金が必要です。300円です。はい、どうぞ。and 料理する which means to cook. This kanji means direction, person, way, square. The on reading for this kanji is 方, like in 地方, which means district. And the kun reading is 方, like in 大方, which means large part, majority. これはこっちに入れて、よし、これもここに置いて、そこに入れて、こっちもこうして、片付けは大方終わりました。Quiz time. Say the reading of the following kanji. 教える。大方。所持品。料理する。文化。Now say the meaning of the following words. 持つ。to have, hold. 地方。district. 恋文。love letter. 教育。education. 料金。fee. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. よし、私はラブレターでも書くか、恋文でも書くとするか。Dear Earl, I like the way you are. ピーパラパラパラ、ピーパラパラパラ。バイバイ